What's up, everybody? I got a very exciting thing to tell you guys today, and that I will be doing a build. This is going to be a full-on pretty much restoration of a 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle. To make a long story short, this car was in my wife's family for a while, and then I acquired it. I gave it to my mom. It needed some work, so it's been sitting for the last 4 years, and she's finally had enough and wants it done. We dove straight into it, and it's going to be a full-on restoration. Pretty much everything is going to get replaced, get fixed, it's going to get painted. I'm going to be doing multiple videos on this. So if you guys like this sort of stuff and you guys like Volkswagens, make sure you stick around, subscribe, because I will be putting up a lot more videos throughout the process of doing this car. Here's the car. It is a 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle. It is not in bad shape, but it definitely needs some work. Someone has done a paint job on it, so in this video the paint might not look too bad, but it definitely needs some love. The body work's not horrible. There's not too many dents and scratches and everything all over it, but there are some spots where it needs to get redone. But overall it's not horrible, so it's actually a good car to start with. The interior was pretty gross and really old and disgusting, so we have already ripped the whole interior out. It is going to get a So Fine interior, 100% from So Fine. Colors are to be determined as of right now. Nothing really wrong in here. The biggest thing that needs to get fixed is I have a patch panel for the floor, for this half of the floor over here where it leaks from the battery, but the rest of the floor is actually in pretty good shape. Nothing really wrong with it, so I'm not going to replace everything. But everything else will get replaced. The dashboard will get replaced, probably the steering wheel. Obviously the door panels get replaced. So it's going to have a whole So Fine interior coming for it soon. My mom really wants the windows that pop out on the back right here. All those kits are on back order right now, but she is going to order those to have the windows pop out. The motor has been taken out and rebuilt. I did not know if it ran. This car did run when it was parked, but it was parked for a while, so I just took it out, got it rebuilt 100%. It is running right now. Did not want to put the engine in until I get everything around the edges painted, so I don't have to tape up the engine. But overall it's not bad. Obviously someone painted over all the trim. They took the moldings off and painted over all the clips, so all of that stuff's going to get replaced. Most everything's going to get replaced. Got a new gas tank and lines and everything that will go in. The gas that came out of this thing is absolutely disgusting, so we're not even going to bother using it again. We've already ordered a lot of pieces for it, but the main thing right now is I'm going to keep stripping it down so I can do the body work. I do auto body for a full-time job, so it really shouldn't be too big of a deal to do the body work on this and then get it painted. We are going to stick with a nice red for this. We're not going to change the color, even though my mom would love to. I've pretty much told her to just keep it red because it'll be a lot easier instead of trying to paint every single little spot everywhere to change the color on it. This car was parked because this strut broke in half. It was rusted out and broke in half, so it was parked in a garage for many years. I've already redone the front suspension. I've put new struts in it. We did a disc brake kit for it, which obviously you guys will see once I take the wheels and the fenders off. But the whole front end's got new ball joints, struts, springs, brakes and all that. The rear has not been touched yet, but we do have the struts, and we will be ordering a disc brake kit for the rear also. Have not decided what company to use for that, but that will get disc brakes also. So pretty much just wanted to show you guys what this is before I take it apart even further. As you can see, it probably looks pretty good, but there is work that needs to be done. A lot of people probably would have just got the mechanics going and ran it, but I really want to make this really nice for my mom and have it a really nice shiny red, all nice bodywork, everything straight. I don't know if you guys can see it right here, but there's some bodywork right here that doesn't look that good. You know, there's a small dent right there, but nothing really major. There's some more bodywork that's been done here, so nothing crazy, but it does need a little bit of love, you know, just replace everything else that we feel like needs to get replaced. So I'm going to keep stripping it down now, and I will make updated videos for you guys as soon as I, you know, get more things done to it, and give you guys updates. This is not going to be a quick turnaround. I'm not going to get this done in a month. I have plenty of other things that I need to do with my life, so this will be a long process, but hopefully it'll be worth it and it'll look perfect in the end. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like I said, I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like at the beginning. I know I've already stripped it down a little bit. We do have the hood and the trunk and all the other stuff that I've taken off. But before I went any further, I wanted to show you guys. So if you guys want to see this build, make sure you subscribe and follow along, because I will be posting up many more videos of this. So stay tuned, and I look forward to hearing you guys' comments and questions about it. Thank you for watching.